welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get this mossy car park cleaned. Seemed a few of you liked the last one. So we've got a new machine on demo. We've got this for a week. So here it is. We've got the Terrazza Weedee PRO with the Ego engine. Currently just lifted it up because this has got a quick change brush system. So we're going to take this brush off, put that one on, and then go and get some of these car park spaces cleaned. So to change this, straddle the machine, lift up, turn off. It's as simple as that. Same with going on, line up, turn. Let's get brushing. So Terrazza quote with 112 amp, you're going to get 1 hour's run time. So with 2 of those in there, we're going to get 2 hours of brushing. Now we won't be doing 2 hours of brushing today. As you can see in here, loads of moss in between, but there is also loads of cars. So we're going to go up to the end here. This is probably the worst parking space. As you can see, got weeds, moss. Not sure we're going to get right down in this hole, but I think we'll get the majority out of here. So as you can see there, that is absolutely ripping through this. Can't get right in the corners. It's really awkward, this one, because of the post. I've already hit that. And we've got big undulations here. But we'll set you up just here. Get this bit done. What's really nice with this one as well is we are at 9 o'clock now, but there's no noise, is there? That is causing me some problems, that big bit. Not going to be able to get right down in there. I think we'll get along here with this strip as well. Just do what we can in between the cars. So this does have an optional guard, so just slot that on there, like that. So it just fits on there, snug as a bug. Let's get this bit cleaned. Might have to take the guard off just for this front bit. I'm not going to get the access in there. So it's cleaned that up really well. You're never going to get every last bit of moss, but normally what I would now do is apply some MMC Pro or some Back 50. We'll put a link in the description to that. Just go and get the blower, get this shoveled up, and then we'll move on to the next space over here. Got this bit to do. Now there's no car. Quite overgrown here. It's quite thick, isn't it? So can't move too fast for these either. You've got to sort of give the brush a bit of time to work as well. And sort of almost use it as if it's a stump grinder, sort of jiggling it back and forth, and that will get in all the cracks and crevices and get it cleaned up as best you can. So I've cleaned the bulk of that one there. Just going to get the blower, tidy off the surface, and probably run through this space again. It's pretty frustrating doing it in between the cars, but nothing else I can do at the moment. Nice bit of rain. That'll wash a lot of this debris away. Not ideal conditions doing this right now, but we're making use of the machine we've got for the week. Look at that for a transformation. Quick and easy. We haven't flooded it. I would just now give this a spray and this will stay clean for a couple of, well, I reckon a year or so in ideal conditions. Not good for a moss brush like in here and tight in the corners. Going to have to get through all of this bit. It's just, there is not enough parking at this site. So I think we'll finish off these spaces here, get this collected, and then we'll check back in at another job. That is some transformation, isn't it? So what you can also do on these is you can undo these pins and you can move these down. They've got notches along here, so you can extend. So they've got pins up here, quick release pin there, and then you can extend this down. So as these wear, so they've thought about this, you can get quite a long run time out of each bristle. You can buy these individually as well. So we've got quite a bad bit here. It's quite thick. Get this section done. All done here. Off to the next one. So just have a quick run through some features on this. It's got a quick release handle, so you literally lift that, handle goes down. You can adjust that wherever you like it. Push that there. This one releases and the handle will slide either side. You've got height adjustments here for raising and lowering the brush because you want this to sit level. So with different brushes you do have to change what height. You just pull the pins and that goes up and down. Ego motor, 2 batteries, only needs to run on the eco setting. Terrazza are claiming 1 hour off a single 12 amp and obviously 2 hours with two 12 amps. So you can clearly see there, this is cleaning all the algae off. Not done and done. So a real nice brush that. We're going to try that on a porcelain patio tomorrow. I mean, you'd think this had been pressure washed, wouldn't you? But we're not damaging any of the stone. So we'll get this finished up. Yeah, you can really see the difference there now. Really impressed with that. Be interesting to see what this looks like when it's dry as well. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you can. Any comments, get them down below, and we will see you in the next one.